I would like to explain you how to make a scan with Q4 laser scanner in encoder with step resolution mode. First of all, you need to find the how many encoders are available in your access. You can do it simply by going to the beginning and then going to the end. So we have seen that we have almost 41,000 encoders, and my axis has the length of 470 millimeters. So this I need to make a division operation in here to find encoder resolution. This is important because I need to enter this value in Y resolution. So after setting Y resolution, I need to change my buffer size, which is called number of profiles. You can see that per second this type of scanner collects 195 profiles per second. So 1000 profiles corresponds to almost 5 seconds of acquisition. So after 5 seconds my acquisition will end. So you need to adjust your number of profiles accordingly. Unfortunately, it doesn't stop while the encoders are not running. So even if it's not triggered, it still gathers some profile data, but hopefully it just throws it out. They are not used in the acquisition. So after setting these settings, I will run my program and move my axis. Sorry, now I didn't move my axis. What you see is a just single line. It collected 1000 profiles, but since encoder didn't change, it just didn't show those other values. But now I'm moving my axis. Okay. You can see that this is a pen. I would like to measure the length of the pen. It's supposed to be 14 centimeters. Yes. The measurement is correct. And yes, it seems it's working fine. Now let me adjust the buffer size as 2000. Sorry. In my program I changed these settings. So now I will make the profile number 2000. Okay. Now I will move my axis back and forwards, so hopefully I will get more dense profiles. So I'm moving it back and forward still. Now it has stopped. So when you do this, you have more dense profiles depending on your speed. Let's check the length of the measurement again. So it's the same. Great. So you can see some parts are much dense than the other parts because of my manual movements. This is the result. And my axis has some vibrations, which is not good. But you, I think, understand the main concept.